Today we are going to install the new Turn Off-Road Ford Bronco EATG M1 tailgate limiters. These limiters fit the Ford Bronco 2 and 4-door models. Installation time is around 15 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Before we remove the factory limiters, clean the area around the hinge area. Then, with the tailgate closed, use a small pry tool, or body clip tool, something that won't damage the paint, and work it under the factory limiter, to pop it out of position. You may have to work on it a little, as space is limited, and it is snapped in tight. If you can't pry it loose, try a smaller pry tool, that you could more easily get under, and around the plastic tabs. Snap the post free, and the factory limiter will remove easily. Repeat these steps to the bottom hinge before moving on to installation. Next, before you install the new turn limiters, clean the surface area real well with acetone or a strong cleaner to remove all dirt or grime. The surface needs to be totally clean for the sticky back to adhere properly. This is what the new tailgate limiters look like, and this is how they install, with the logo outward and the angled edge facing the hinge. Now, grab a limiter and peel of the sticky backer. Then, being careful not to touch the sticky back, set the limiter in place, and push the tab posts into position, and firmly keep pressing the limiter in place. At this point, it is now installed, and ready to use. Repeat these steps to the bottom hinge, and your install is done. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Off-Road tailgate limiter install. The Turn Off-Road tailgate limiter is the perfect little upgrade to your tailgate. With the limiter in place, your tailgate will not swing past 90 degrees. Now you won't have to stress about the tailgate swinging open too far, putting added stress on the body, or even swinging open into other parked cars or trees, if you're out camping. These little additions will make things easier, knowing you can open the tailgate far enough, while still keeping full access to your cargo bed area. Until your next Turn product install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.